The more modern dryers anymore have got the ability to have programmed temperatures. The hottest ones that I typically have seen is about 190 degrees. When we do our installations, we usually drop that down to 180. We find a little 190 maybe is a little too warm. So that would be in the controls versus the old digital timers where you just set, if you set high, then it had a thermistor and it registered that temperature and then shut the valve off and on as that heats and cools. With electronic ones, it's nice to be able to set a specific temperature based on what you're drying. So one, you're not going to damage it, but two, is controlling what's happening in it. Modern dryers all have multiple safety features with high limit and operating limit thermistors in it. So if it gets to the high limit, it's going to shut the whole dryer off and let you know that you've got a problem. That's pretty rare. If something fails, it usually the operating, it won't let it continue to run. It will shut the dryer off. So there's plenty of safeties in that. The liability to the manufacturers and even to us is pretty great if you allowed a device to be able to operate unsafely.